Here it is, guys, 1998 xcr440 Polaris factory race sled. Had it for about 8 years now. Made a video a couple years back, and you guys have seen that, the 90-mile-an-hour run. But yeah, here she is. I'm just gonna give you guys a good look at it. It's perfect conditions right now. About 6 inches of snow on the lake. Great sun, shows that snow dust. I just want to get a little video of me walking around it, and showing how much of a beauty this thing is. Just perfect condition, considering it's a 1998. But yeah, just get a good look at it here. Nice chromy windshield, Cobra Chrome. Near impossible to find now. You can't even buy them. Just a beautiful machine, guys. Just beautiful. And the thing just rips. Take a look under the hood here. It is the stock engine that Polaris put in the sled. I've heard many things about the non-red head. The red that you're seeing here is just the paint that I put on there like 5 years ago, wore off. But this came without the red on the head. I've heard things on the forums like that it's high compression heads, or the head shaved, or things like that, because some are red and some aren't. There's definitely something going on there in the difference. So you got the Ducati ignition, factory clutching, nothing's been changed or molested there. Stock pipe, everything's just pretty much bone stock, but it's all it needs to be because it frickin' flies. All right, guys, thanks again. Hit that like button. You know this video is juicy. Don't lie to yourself. Come on, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe.